let's go buy some chicken. Bam. Now I'm buying some chicken. Let's eat some chicken. Bam. What is going on, guys? Welcome to Wrenchettes. When I'm working this beautiful G35, the best racer in the whole wide world, but alive as well. And today I'm going to talk about something that has been bugging me for a while now, and I had to write it down, and I'm now making a video about it. And it's the 5 things I hate about car YouTubers on YouTube. Now, I like
big butts and I cannot lie.
Uniqueness. Like, if I subscribe to a YouTuber, it's because I like what they're doing with cars, or how they do it, or their personality. However, sometimes a lot of YouTubers that I watch get the same freaking car. Some YouTubers make it happen. So even though that they have the same cars, they do totally on different things. Now, I'm not talking about those people. I'm talking about the people that do the same freaking mods, the same thing to their cars, just because it's a trend. That thing is freaking annoying as hell. Now, I've seen this on some big YouTubers. They start off with low subs and they have a low quality camera because, you know, when you're starting, you don't want to put too much into it, and you should upgrade as you go, right? But some of these freaking YouTubers, they have big ass houses, expensive ass cars. However, they don't change their freaking cameras. They're stuck in like, 720p and stuff like that. And it's like, why can't you just buy a good camera if you have the money to buy one? We all know that if you want steady shots, you use a gimbal. You use like one of those nice, handheld thingies. But some of these YouTubers that have high counts, they do this. What's up, guys? This is blah, 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 blah. I'm going over here, and then we're gonna do this, and then we're gonna do that, and yeah, I got this fine ass McLaren and this and that, and because of this and whatever, like, damn. Stay steady. Like, how in the world did you get all these subs and you have this bad, I obviously exaggerated, but bad camera skills? Like, come on, man, that's freaking annoying. Stop it. The endless palm transactions. What's up, guys? It's so-and-so. Bam. And now I'm in my car. Let's go buy some chicken. Bam. Now I'm buying some chicken. Let's eat some chicken. Bam. Now I'm in my car. Let's go to my house. Bam. Now I'm in my house. Let's go back to the car. Bam. Like, dude, there are other types of transition. Why you have to use a freaking palm transition every time? I know sometimes it look cool, but so many freaking times, dude, really, in one video? It has been a minute. You've done it like 20 times already. Stop it. And the number one thing I hate about car YouTubers, that some of them do, and probably you guys most likely have seen this, when they buy an expensive ass car, do the whole freaking reveal, and then say, I don't want to drive this car so much. I don't want to put too much miles on this. Why in the world did you have the audacity to buy this expensive ass car, show it to your subs, and then have the nerve to say, I don't want to drive it because I don't want to put no miles on it? You're supposed to be driving cars, modern cars, do whatever, using the car for your benefit. That's like one of the most annoying things that what in the hell is this? That's an awesome ass car. Looks like a Range Rover, but like a mini. That is pretty cool. Now, do you agree with my top 5 things that I hate about YouTubers? Have you seen your favorite YouTubers do all these annoying things? So if you like this type of content, please give me a like on this video. And if you have YouTubers that does this, also give me a like on this video. And if you're new, please consider subscribing, because we have a lot of cool stuff on the way for this channel. Until next one, guys, God bless. Stay safe out there.